Let me share some time-saving Fusion secrets with you so you can create your own motion study and drive your gears. Let's get things done in Fusion. To get started, it's essential to understand what you're seeing here so you can set things up smoothly. Using the Display Component Colors Inspection tool, we've got 3 distinct components within the main component: Papa Gear, Baby Gear, and the base. Each has its color visible in both the project browser and the timeline. Papa Gear is grounded, which means it's locked in place. You'll see this with the anchor symbol. To make it move, right-click and unground Papa Gear from its parent component. Next, let's set up our joints. Since the components are already aligned with this top-down design, you can use the As-Built Joint option. Choose the Revolute motion type, select your moving component, then the base, and set your snap point. Confirm with OK. Right-click on the Fusion canvas, choose Repeat as built joint, select the component you want to rotate, then the base, set your snap point and confirm. Now, take a look in the project browser to find your new joints. At this point, you can animate each joint separately. However, if you try to drive the joints, you'll notice there's no relationship between them. Let's fix that. Go to the Assemble drop-down menu and find the Motion Link tool. This is where we'll define a relationship between different joints. When you select your joints, a menu with settings appears. Right now, both joints move in the same direction and they're moving too fast. Pause the motion study so we can make adjustments. Here's a quick gear check. Papa Gear has 12 teeth and Baby Gear has 6. Right-click and edit the Motion Link feature in the project browser or timeline. Adjust the pace to keep the 2:1 ratio so that the smaller gear rotates faster. For example, if Papa Gear rotates 360 degrees, Baby Gear, Revolute 2, should rotate 720 degrees. Remember to reverse the simulation. These gears aren't moving because they're touching. They're moving due to the linked simulations we've set up. Right-click on your joint and select Drive Joints. This lets you test the motion link in a manual driving mode. To see the entire setup in action, use Animate Joint Relationships. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'd love for you to return to the channel for more time-saving tips and tricks.